Good morning, students. I took attendance and we were discussing the properties of HCF and LCM, and we will continue from this question today. So, all of you try this question. I'm giving 2 minutes of time. If anybody interested in answering, you can raise a hand. Yes, Harshvardhan.
Hello?
Yes, Harshvardhan.
Hello?
Yes.
I can answer this question.
Harshvardhan, can you answer this question?
Okay, sir.
Everybody solve this question, and if you can, anybody can explain, you can raise a hand. Yes, Harshvardhan, can you answer?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
the HCF of two numbers is 12 and the difference is 12. The option is, sir, because 84, I am using continued division method. 84 divided by 96. 84 ones are 84 and 12 will be the
No
difference.
problem. And you took those two numbers and you found the HCF and you got it 12.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Because they
Uh,
are,
did
we,
you try for the other numbers also?
sir, other numbers we can't do.
Okay. So that means you based on options you have solved, right?
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
easy without continued division method because the difference is 12 and 12 table to we can cancel.
Okay, Harshvardhan, your answer is correct, but we can do in more shorter way. Let me explain that.
What, sir?
See, all of you, the question is the HCF of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 12. Which of the following can be the numbers? So we can solve like this. We don't know what is the HCF. It's given 12. So if the HCF is 12 and the numbers will become, if the HCF is 12, 12 is the factor of both the numbers. That means 12 if you multiply by some number like x, you can get one number. 12 you multiply by another number like y, you will get the second number. And it is also given that their difference is 12. So we can write 12x minus 12y is equal to 12. So according to the distributive property, in this expression I can take 12 common. So you'll be getting 12 times x minus y is equal to 12. Now 12 is multiplying, if you transpose it will divide. So x minus y is equal to 12 divided by 12, that is equal to 1. So we got x minus y is equal to 1. And you should remember one thing here, that is x and y are co-primes. They must be co-primes. Why? Because suppose if x and y are not co-primes, that means they have a common factor other than 1, greater than 1. That common factor will also multiply into this 12 and the HCF will be more than 12. But we want HCF is 12 only. For that reason, x and y are co-primes. So if you check option by option, in option A, if you write 84 is equal to 12x, so x will be 7 because 12 sevens are 84. And if you write 96 is equal to 12y and you're getting y value is equal to 26, sorry, 96 divided by 12 is 8. So 7 and 8 are co-primes. We discussed one property. Any two consecutive numbers are co-primes. So here we got the answer. Option A is correct. But let us check option B. 66 is equal to 12x. So 66 is not only divisible by 12, so we can neglect this option. And 70, if you write equal to 12x, 70 also not divisible by 12, you can neglect this option. 62, if you write it equal to 12x, 62 also not divisible by 12. So option A will be matching with all the conditions. So answer is A. Answer is A. You can do verification also. The verification is if you want to check HCF of 84 and 96. Okay, let us do common continue division method. 84 with 84 you divide 96. 84 ones are 84 and this is 12. With 12 you divide 84. 12 sevens are 84 and remainder is 0. Therefore the HCF is 12. And they said the difference between them is 12. So you find the difference between the numbers. 96 minus 84 also 12. So it's matching with the conditions. So answer is A. So either you can do in the first method or you can use the options and do the second method also. You'll be getting the same answer, option A. Now any doubts in this question can raise a hand. Yes, Harshvardhan, you have any doubt?
Sir, once you can explain this first, 12 is equals to 12x and 12y. What I
Yes,
can't.
HCF of the two numbers is 12 now. We know HCF of two numbers is always factor of the numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 12 is a factor of one number. That means 12 multiplied by some number will give you the first number.
12?
12 multiplied by some number, you'll get the first number.
Ah,
So that number let us call x. So it become 12x, right? Similarly, second number will become 12y. And they said the difference between them is 12. So I can take 12 common. So it will be 12 times x minus y is equal to 12. And I'll get x minus y is equal to 1. That means the difference between the quotients I should get equal to 1. So that is possible in option A. That's why option A is correct. Okay?
okay, sir. Sir, here
Yes.
this x minus y is equals to 1. So, and why they should be co-primes?
I told you already. See, already for 12x and 12y, we got the HCF is 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if x and y are co-primes, actually they should be co-primes. But if they are not co-primes, x and y are not that means they have a common factor other than 1.
No, no.
No, no. If they are not co-primes, you get a common factor other than 1, something like 2, 3, etc. That common factor also get multiplied into this 12 and the HCF will increase. But we want to stay HCF as 12. That's why they should be co-primes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts from other students? You can raise a hand. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. And if you want, you can copy this. Yeah, no doubts. We'll move to the next question. So we got the answer is option A. Next question. Yes, Shanai?
Sir,
Shanai? Yes?
sir, I will copy first question, sir.
Okay, I'll wait for 1 more minute. You can copy quickly. Those who are copying quickly, you can copy. Did you have any doubts? Jeshwin?
Sir,
Jeshwin, I'm not audible.
sir,
Yes, ma'am.
nothing, sir.
Why did you raise a hand?
I raised a hand because please, I will copy previous question.
Okay, actually, I'm on the previous question only, no?
Ah,
Okay, you can copy. Manaswini, what's your doubt? Manaswini,
sir, can I
what's your
explain
doubt?
second question?
Come again?
Can I explain second question?
Okay, when I go to the second question, you can explain. So, all of you, I hope everybody copied. I'm moving to the next question. Is the next question is three numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5 and their LCM is 2400. Their HCF is the ratio of the numbers is given, their LCM is given, and we should find their HCF. Manaswini, if you can explain, you can
Yes.
continue.
Sir, 3 is to sir,
Yes,
3, sir, 3 is to 4 is to 5. We
yes,
can say 3x, 4x, 5x.
very good. Let us say the numbers are 3 is to 4 is to 5. We don't know the numbers. If you multiply by a common factor, they will become the actual numbers. So 3 into x is 3x, 4 into x is 4, 5 into x is 5x. Very good. Next,
3x multiplied by 4x, 4x multiplied by 5x, sir.
why we are multiplying them?
Sir, want to get the HF, sir.
You want to get the?
HF.
No, they gave LCM is 2004 and no. Find the LCM of 3x, 4x, 5x. Can we use
Hmm.
the common division method?
Yes, sir.
What is the rule for doing common division method for LCM? At least two numbers are divisible, we can take. No?
Okay.
All
Yes,
these
sir.
numbers are divisible by which number?
Sir, 1.
X.
Yes,
First
sir.
divide by x. X into 3 is 3x. 4, 5. Any common factor left for the remaining numbers?
No, sir.
So the LCM will be the product of all of them. That is x into 3 into 4 into 5. So what is
5.
this product?
60.
It's 60x. Why are you not saying x?
Sir, 60.
X. But according to the question, LCM given how much?
Sir, 2.
According to the question, what is LCM given?
2400.
2400. That means you can equate these two. From this, will you get the value of x?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 2400 divided by 60. 0, 0 cancel.
Then
6 fours are
1.
24, 0. So what is the value of x we are getting?
40, sir.
40. Now they are asking the HCF. So from this process only we can get the HCF. HCF
Yes.
is the product of left side numbers, right?
Yes.
So left side there is only one x. And already we got the x value is equal to 40. So which option is correct?
Sir, option D is correct.
So answer is D. Very good, Manaswini. You can mute yourself. And students, if you have any doubts in this solution, you can raise the hand. I'll explain. Otherwise, you can copy. Ashar, then you have any doubt in this?
Sir,
Yes.
this is 60. LCM we multiplied, so we got 60x na.
Yes.
So we did the division, so we got
No,
the.
no, no. According to the question, they said LCM is 2400,
That,
no?
but we can do this in another. Not seeing the ratio and which table that is divisible, but 60 is 4. First I want to check. So it is getting 40. So 40 is the correct answer.
No, no. 2400 is divisible by 120 also, 60 also, and 80 also. How can you decide 40?
Sir, 80, how like?
80 into 30.
With 3 is 24. Yes, sir.
Yes. So we cannot decide like that. We have to do like this. Okay, Ashar, then?
Okay, sir.
I'm waiting on the screen for 1 more minute so that you can copy and we'll move to the next question. Surya, you have any doubt in this question?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, can we do 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2400 divided by 3 into 4 into 5 also will do also.
Yeah, you'll good answer. You can do like that. You can remember this as a shortcut. You can
Okay, sir.
divide the whole number by the product of 3, 4, 5. But only when the ratio is in the simplest form. But if the ratio is not in the simplest form, you'll get wrong answer. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I took A into B into C equals to LCM into HCF.
Yes, you can divide the product by the product of the numbers. But because in the question 3 is to 4 is to 5, the ratio is in simplest form, you'll get like that. But if the ratio is not given in simplest form, first you have to convert into simplest form and apply that method. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope everybody copied this. We'll move to the next question. Yes, all of you try the next question. This question came in Sainik School 2019. The LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. The sum of their LCM and HCF is given 1740. If one number is 240, then what is the another number? I'm giving 2 minutes of time so that we'll work on this question. So if any student is interested, you can raise a hand now. Yes, Harshvardhan?
Sir,
Yes.
I can explain.
You got the answer also?
Sir, we can divide 28 by 1740 because the sum of the game, when we divide, we got the LCM, sir, and we can find easily that what is the other number.
You are thinking that it is product. It is not product. That is, they gave sum.
Sum only, sir, we can divide.
What is the property we know? Product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of LCM and HCF. But they gave sum. They did not give the products.
Sir, I means what we want to do.
Try first. You try, then I'll explain.
Okay, sir.
Any other student, if you are interested in answering, you can raise a hand now. Okay, let me explain. LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. So let us call the LCM as L and the HCF as H. Mayuk, you want to explain? Mayuk?
Yes, sir.
Mayuk, you want to explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers.
Yes.
We have to write 29x plus x equal to 1740.
Where did you get 29?
So 28 equal to x times plus 9 plus 1 HCF.
Which one you called X?
HCF.
Okay, so according to Mayuk, HCF he called it X. Okay, then what will happen?
Sir, in question, LCM is 28 times x.
Very
HCF.
good. Very good. According to the question, LCM is 28 times the HCF. So 28 times of X is 28X. You want to say this one only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
29.
HCF is X and LCM is 28X. Okay, go ahead.
Now HCF and HCF into LCM equal to 1 equal to in product of two numbers we have to write 28x into x equal to
It's not 28X into X because they gave sum of LCM and HCF or product of LCM and HCF. Mayuk.
not visible question.
Mayuk, they gave the question sum of the LCM and HCF or product of the LCM and HCF. It is sum. They gave sum. So we should do LCM plus HCF, okay?
Okay.
So according to the question, LCM plus HCF, they gave 1740. In place of LCM, what we have to write?
29x
No, in place of LCM, 28x. In place of HCF,
x
x. So that is equal to 1740. 28x plus x, what is that?
29x.
29x is equal to 1740. So from this we can find the value of x by transposing 29, right?
Yes, sir.
Mayuk, if you divide, which number you got?
460.
So 29 6 are 174 and 0. So that will be 60. We got x value 60. But now they are asking one number is given 240 and we should find the other number. How can we do that? What is the property you know between the numbers HCF and LCM?
H into L equal to product of two
Yes.
numbers.
So we can write that HCF and LCM, the product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of the numbers A and B. Now HCF we got it X, LCM we got it 28X is equal to first number is given 240 and we should find the other number B. We already got X value also, Mayuk.
Yes, sir.
What is X we got?
60.
So we can substitute 60 here. So 60 into 28x. It's nothing but 28 into x. So I can write 60, 240 into b. So I want b value. So 240 we can transpose to the other side. Yes, Mayuk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can do cuttings. 0, 0 cancel. 6 ones, 6 fours. 4 sevens are 28. 7 into 6 is 42 and we can use 0, 420. So therefore, what is the another number?
420.
420 is which option?
Option A.
Option A. Very good, Mayuk. So all the other students, you can check the solution and any doubts are there, you can raise your hand, I'll explain. Mayuk, very good. Surya, any doubts? Yes, Surya.
Sir, is there any shortcut of this method?
No, this is only the shorter way because they
Okay,
did
sir.
not give product, they gave some, so we have to work like this.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts from other students? If there are no doubts, you can copy the solution. I am waiting on the screen. Anvita, your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, why we got 28?
Because in the question they gave, no, the LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. That's why, according to the question I wrote.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anvita, that is your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, any other students have doubt, you can raise a hand. Yes, Harshvardhan.
Sir, why we multiply 60 into 28 into 62 times?
Because product of numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM.
Yes,
HCF we wrote X, LCM we wrote 28X. X repeated two times or not?
Ah,
That's why 60 also two times. Because
sir,
X is 60, right?
X is repeated there and 28.
Yes, because HCF we call X and LCM we call 28X. So in both HCF and LCM, X is there. That's why.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Varshita, you raise the hand and moved it back. You have any doubt, you can raise the hand again. Okay, I hope no doubts left for other students also. So I'm moving to the next question. So the next question is this. Very, very simple question. The LCM of two prime numbers is equal to their dash. If anybody want to give answer, can raise a hand. Yes, Lakshita. Yes, Lakshita.
Sir,
Can you give the answer?
sir, can you scroll up?
You are still copying?
Sir, I want to write the
Okay,
previous.
copy quickly. I'm giving 1 more minute. Those who are still copying the first question, I'm giving 1 more minute. You can copy quickly. Yes, I hope this is done and we'll move to the next question. So who is interested in answering this question can raise a hand now. Let us ask. Himateja, can you answer this question? Himateja, can you answer this question?
Sir, option B, product.
Okay, can you explain why it is product?
Sir, LCM of two prime numbers means product.
Actually, we know the property LCM of two co-primes is their product, but here primes is given. So why product again?
Sir,
Any two prime numbers are always co-primes, isn't it?
yes, sir.
That's why. Okay, so we can write that LCM of any two co-primes. You can mute yourself, Himateja. LCM of any two co-primes is equal to their product. We know this, but they're asking for prime numbers, and we know one more thing, that is any two prime numbers are always co-primes. any two primes are always co-primes. Therefore, we can say that LCM of any two primes also equal to their products, because every two prime numbers are always co-primes. Is equal to their product. So that is answer B. Very good, Himateja. You gave correct answer. So if you want to copy, you can copy. I'm waiting for 1 minute. I hope everybody completed this. Vaishnavi, you want to say anything? Vaishnavi?
I just wanted to tell the answer for this question.
Okay, you got the same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Surya, you have any doubts? Surya not responding. If anybody wanted to give answer and other student already answered, then you can lower your hands. Anvita, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir, can you explain again?
We got the property, no? LCM of any two coprimes is always equal to this product. I gave you four properties in HCF and LCM. Do you remember?
Okay, sir.
One of the properties, LCM of any two coprimes is always equal to product. But
Hmm.
we got two prime numbers here. Can we say any two prime numbers are always coprimes?
Yes, sir.
That's why the LCM of any two prime numbers is also equal to their products. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, can I copy?
Copy quickly what you are doing from beginning. I'm giving time from that time, no?
Sir, I'm copying.
Copy quickly.
Wait.
Yes, I will wait for 1 minute. Copy quickly, Anvita. Okay, I hope everybody have copied this and we'll move to the next question. So we got the answer B, products. So there are some word problems waiting for you involving all the properties that we discussed for LCM and HCF. So this is the first question that you have to solve. This question came in Sainik School Exam 2022. I'll read the question. Shreya has 32 red pens and 56 blue pens. She wants to make packs of equal number of pens out of them in such a way that each pack has pens of only one color. How many pens would be there in the biggest pack? That is the question. If you want to answer this question, can raise a hand now. Anyone? Try to read the question more number of times. Manaswini, you want to give answer?
Sir, can you zoom?
Now is it visible, Manaswini?
Okay, sir.
I'll read the question once again for you. Shreya has 32 red pens and 56 blue pens. She wants to make packs of equal number of pens out of them in such a way that each pack has only one color. How many pens would be there in the biggest pack possible? If you want to give answer, can raise a hand now. Varshita, can you explain? Varshita?
Sir,
Yes, Varshita.
sir, we should do HCF.
Why we should do HCF?
Sir, because biggest pack.
Yes, biggest. Don't remember like biggest or greatest means HCF. Smallest or least means LCM. I told you already not to remember like that. You see, this question is creating factors or this question is creating multiples. If it is creating factors, then you go for HCF. If it is creating multiples, you go for LCM. Now, in this question, is the question creating factors or multiples?
Sir, factors.
Why it is creating factors? Can you explain?
Sir,
Yes. She wants to make packs of equal number of pens out of them in such a way that each pack has only one color. Suppose 32 red pens are there. Can I distribute like 4 packs and each pack is containing 8 pens like that? Can I distribute?
yes.
So the number of pens should always be a factor of 32 and also a factor of 56 because blue pens also we are dividing into packs, right?
Yes.
So that means you are going to get factors or multiples.
Factors.
Because this question is creating factors, we have to go for finding HCF. Okay. Okay, Varshita, which method are you using to find the HCF of 32 and 56?
Sir, common division method.
You want to use common division?
Yes.
Okay, 32, 56. Which number we can start first?
Sir, 2.
2 into which number? 2 into which number?
16.
Next.
Sir, 28.
Again, they are divisible by
2.
2. Now, what are the quotients?
8 and 14.
Okay, again, they are divisible by any number?
2.
2. What are the quotients?
4 and 7.
Okay, any common factors left?
Sir, no.
We have to stop the process or continue?
Sir, stop the process.
Now we want HCF. HCF is a product of only left side numbers or all the numbers?
Sir, left side.
So only left side numbers you have to multiply for HCF. That is 2 into 2 into 2. You are going to get 8 and the answer is B. Okay, correct answer Varshita. You gave correct answer. Very good. So other students, those who wanted to give answer but the answer is already completed can lower your hands. But if you have doubts can raise a hand. And remaining students you can copy quickly. If you have any doubts in this solution can raise the hand now. Any doubts? Sahasra? Sahasra, any doubts? Sahasra, you are not audible to me. Let me know in the chat box what you want to say. Mayuk? Mayuk, any doubts?
Sir, I have short trick.
Okay, can you tell me? Mayuk, can you explain? Mayuk, you are not audible. Mayuk, you are not audible to me. Mayuk, either you leave the class and join again, or you let me know in the chat box. What do you want to say? Okay, let us go to the next question. So I hope everybody copied this and we got the answer B. Next question. Anvita,
Sir, I am not copied, sir.
copy quickly, Anvita. Always you're doing late. Rishikesh, Rishikesh, any doubt?
Sir, I am not copied. Can you show?
I'm already showing the previous question only. You can copy quickly.
Okay, sir.
Why this much 3-4 lines you are doing this much time?
Sir, I am copying question also in note.
Okay, copy. Mayuk?
Sir, now I tell you.
Yeah, Mayuk, can you tell me, you said some shortcut?
So in question, in two numbers are not a multiple of another and factor of another. In
Okay.
options, it have smaller numbers. We have to do HCF or bigger numbers than number. We have to do LCM.
That means you are depending on options, right?
Yes, sir.
But if the mix of numbers are given, some numbers are more than the numbers, some numbers are less than the numbers, then you will be confused, right?
Yes.
So don't use such short tricks. You use short tricks which are always give the correct answer. Okay?
So for some questions only this one.
Yeah, for some questions you can go for like that. What Mayuk want to say is all the options are less than 32 and 56. So that indicates that we have to go for HCF only. But if all the numbers are greater than the given numbers, that indicates that it is finding LCM. So you can also use such shortcuts. Okay, no problem. Mayuk, you are correct. Rishikesh? Yes, Rishikesh?
Sir, how to find what problem is related to HCF or LCM?
You have to analyze the question and you have to think whether it is creating factors or whether it is creating multiples. For this question,
Okay.
you only say, Rishikesh, she has 32 red pens. She want to
Yes.
distribute it to some packs. Now the number of pens in each pack will be a factor of 32 or not?
Sir, I can't understand question. Can you explain again?
Suppose 32 red pens. Suppose you have 32 red pens and 56 blue pens. Okay. What you
Yes, sir.
want to do is you want to pack them in different packs, but in every pack
Yes.
you want same colored pens. You don't want a mixing of colored pens. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose 32 red pens are there. Can you pack in 4 packs?
Yes, sir.
And in each pack, how many you will get?
Sir, 8.
8. Is 8 a factor of 32 or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is creating factors. So we have to go for HCF. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm going to the next question, and somebody else also raising hand. Somebody raised hand and moved it back. Okay, no problem. And we'll go to the next question. All of you try to solve the next question I'm reading for you. Manaswini.
Sir, may I explain the question?
Next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first read the question loudly.
Yes, sir. Sir, the option is D.
First read the question loudly.
Find the smallest number that is divisible by each one of 9, 12, and 15.
Okay, first explain the question and solution.
Sir, 9
First
is
explain the question. What are they asking?
the smallest number which has to divisible by 9, 12, and 15, sir.
Okay, then how to solve this?
Sir,
Yes,
9 divisibility rule, sir.
9 divisibility rule. Okay.
Add all of the numbers. Sir, we want to depend on options, sir.
Why are
6
you adding
plus,
the numbers, Manaswini?
sir, 9 divisibility rule is add all of the numbers.
Okay. But you are getting 90, 180, both are there, no? 9 plus 0 is 9, 1 plus 8 plus 0 also 9. Then between B and D, there will be confusion.
Sir, we want to check 9, 12, and 15 also, sir.
Okay. That means you are depending on options and solving this question.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if the options are completely removed, then you cannot solve this question.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to understand such methods also. So concentrate on the solution which I am going to give. Um, Abhyuday, can you give the answer? Abhyuday.
Sir?
Yes, Abhyuday, can you give the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, option D.
Not option. I want the solution. How we can solve this?
Sir, LCM, sir. LCM of 9, 12, and 15.
Why we should find LCM?
Sir, LCM of 9, 12, and 15. 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 S
Why you should find LCM? Abhiday,
Sir,
why we should find LCM? Is the question creating multiples or factors?
multiples.
Why? Because a number is divisible by 9. The number must be a multiple of 9, right?
Yes, sir.
A number is divisible by 12. The number is a multiple of 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, multiple of 15. So it is a common multiple of all of them, and they are asking smallest one. That means least one. It's nothing but least common multiple. We call it LCM, right?
Yes, sir.
So Abhiday, can you help me in finding the LCM of these three numbers? Which method we can use to find the LCM of 9, 12, and 15? Abhiday,
Common division method.
yeah, we'll go for common division method 9, 12, 15. So with which number we can divide first?
3.
3 threes are 9, 3 fours, and this is 5. Any common factors left?
No, sir.
No. So we can directly go for multiplication. So LCM is 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. What will be the answer?
Sir, 180.
180. That is answer D. Okay, Abhiday, you gave correct answer. You can mute yourself now. And those who want to copy, you can copy quickly. And those who wanted to give the answer can lower your hands now. Only doubts, raise a hand. Mayuk, you have any doubt in this? Mayuk? Himateja, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Himateja?
sir,
Yes.
nothing.
Okay. Okay, all of you copy this. We'll move to the next question. Yes, I hope everybody copied this. We'll move to the next question now. Next question is, find the greatest number that will divide 37, 56, 93, leaving remainders 1, 2, 3 respectively. So all of you try this question, and can anyone explain? You can raise a hand. Pranay, you want to explain this question? Pranay, you want to explain this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you read the question loudly again?
Sir, the question is not visible.
Question is not visible to you.
Sir, list is not visible. Question is visible, but first letters are not visible, sir.
Wait a minute. Is it visible now, Pranay?
Sir, no, sir. First letters are not visible.
I think you're watching it in vertical mode or horizontal mode, the tab.
Sir, vertical.
Once try to rotate it.
Okay, sir.
You rotated the screen. Pranay, there is a lot of background noise.
Sir, not coming, sir.
Pranay, is it visible now?
No, sir.
Pranay, the screen is not visible.
Sir, sir. Sir.
Wait a second. Wait a second, I'll do one thing. Pranay, is it visible now?
Sir, sir.
Okay, read the question loudly.
The greatest number that will divide 37, 56,
93, leaving remainder 1, 2, and 3 respectively.
Okay, how to solve this question? We want the greatest number that will divide 37. We should get the answer 1. That should divide 56. We want the answer 2. That should divide 93. We want the answer 3. So how can we solve this?
So first subtract 31 minus 1, then 56 minus 2, 93 minus 3.
Okay.
After greatest number. After do LCM. LCM.
Okay. I'll ask you one question, Pranay. First of all, why are you subtracting? Why are you not adding? Why are you only subtracting? Can you give answer?
Sir.
Pranay, can you sit in a quiet place?
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. First you complete this, then you can go. Why are you only doing subtraction?
Sir,
Just remember this type of questions, we have to do subtraction.
sir, no, sir.
See, I'll explain. See, there is a number. We don't know that number. Let us call x. With x, if you divide 37, we are getting the remainder 1. With the same number, if you divide 56, with the same number, if you divide 56, we are getting the remainder 2. With the same number x, if you are dividing 93, we are getting. Now, we want to find the greatest possible number in place of x that is possible. See, we know that for exact divisibility, what is the relation between dividend and divisor and remainder? Dividend minus remainder is always divisible by the divisor. Yes or no? Pranay? Pranay, you muted yourself. Pranay, you're not audible. Pranay, you can raise your hand again. Okay, Pranay will be back. So let me explain this. We know dividend minus remainder is always divisible by the divisor. So you'll be getting 37 minus 1 is going to be 36. Similarly, 56 minus 2 is always divisible by the divisor x. So it is 54. 93 minus 3 is going to be 90. So x divides 36. That means x is a factor of 36. X divides 54. X is a factor of 54. X divides 90. X is a factor of 90. It is a common factor of all of them, and they want the greatest possible number. That means highest possible number. So we need to find highest common factor of which numbers? 36, 54, and 90. So we can go for common division method, and let me divide by 2. Common division method for HCF, if all are divisible, then only we have to divide. So 2 into 18, 36, 2 into 27, and 2 into 45. Now all are divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 into 15, 45. So again, 3 2s, 3 3s, and 3 5s. That's it. There are no common factors left in this, so we can stop. But HCF, to get the HCF, you multiply only the left side numbers 2, 3, 3. So that's going to be 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the answer is B. So all of you can copy this. Anyone you have doubts in this solution can raise a hand now. Those who wanted to give answer can lower your hands. Only doubts can raise a hand. Manaswini, have any doubts?
Sir, I didn't understand this.
See, Manaswini, we learned one formula. I remember dividend minus remainder is always divisible by the divisor. When you are doing subtraction, what must be subtracted from a given number so that it is divisible? We remember dividend minus remainder. Yes?
Yes, sir.
When x is dividing 37, we are getting the remainder 1. But they said exactly divisible. That means the remainder we don't want. Whichever remainder you don't want, you just subtract.
Okay, sir.
So 37 minus 1, 36. Now 36 is divisible by x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, 56 you subtract to 2. 54 is divisible by x. 93 minus 3. 90 is divisible by x. That means for all the numbers 36, 54 and 90, x is a common factor and we want the highest possible number. So it must be highest common factor of them. It should be HCF. Yes?
Okay, sir.
Sahana, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Sahana?
sir, yesterday I'm not read the test, sir. I
Yeah,
came before 4 minutes.
test is still available. You can go and write now. No problem.
Sir, but only one device we have now, sir. Only my sister wrote.
Another device you got login no, in your mother's mobile.
No, sir, this one not login.
Okay, then can you bring the device here? Then I'll give the login.
Sir, my sister brought 2 times, sir, but you are down now while taking class for us.
I didn't get you.
Sir, my sister brought 2 days mobile, sir.
But
1 day.
she did not give me.
You are in the class, so she not give, sir.
No problem. Then what she can do is while going at 8:30, I'll complete my class. At that time, I can give the login. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At 8:30, ask her to wait so that I can give login.
Okay, sir.
Snehal, you have any doubt? Snehal?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the LCM is continue na?
It's not LCM. We should find HCF because in common division method, we can find both of them, HCF as well as LCM. But the rules are different. To find HCF in common division method, if all the numbers are divisible, then only we have to take. But in LCM, at least 2 numbers are divisible also will take. That is the difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And final answer, HCF will be the product of only left side numbers. But
Okay, sir.
LCM final answer is product of all the numbers, left and bottom. Okay.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
sir, I did not, sir, exam.
Okay. About test, I'll talk to you today after the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Harshavardhan.
Sir, in that online exam, how many marks we got means we can pass?
Yeah, you can check. It is visible to you now also.
Yes, sir. I got 50.
Okay, we'll discuss in the class today.
Okay, sir.
Rishikesh, you have any doubt? Rishikesh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, yesterday I will wrote exam that time will not over that submitted automatically.
See, if you're not going into other apps or if you're not clicking any notifications which are coming, then test will not be submitted. But if you're going closing this app, opening other apps frequently, then the test will be submitted. That means you did something, then it will be over. Otherwise,
The sir, the app is go back, sir.
that's what I'm saying. Why are you moving back? You should take care of the exam now.
Okay,
Next,
sir.
do that. Mayuk, Mayuk, you have any doubts?
Sir, sir, confused which check we have to attempt exam.
I didn't get you. Come again.
Confused. Sir, I didn't get the exam. I'm confused which like we have to get in.
See, the Sainik School crash course is there now. In that you click on content. So there is a folder called weekly tests. In that, the first weekly test we can attempt. That's it. Lakshita, had any doubts? Lakshita, what's your doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, today 9 o'clock, can you keep the yesterday's test?
Yeah, I'll try to make you right. But you did something while writing the test, either going back or opening the other app. That's why it got submitted.
Sir, no, sir, I clicked next question, then it has submitted.
No, even if the network is not proper way, then also it will think that it is over, then it will submit. So you have to check your network and only on this app, don't open other apps. and don't click back button. Then it will be till the last midnight you can write. Majority of the students they wrote exam, no?
Yes, sir.
Manaswini, doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 1 second. Yes,
What happened, Manaswini?
when you will take GK class?
Yeah, I'll take from 7:15. Not GK. Today we're going with English.
Okay, sir.
Anvita, doubts? Anvita, Anvita, make it fast. Anvita, you're not talking. Aditi?
Sir,
Yes, Aditi.
sir, I have a doubt on this question.
Okay, can you tell me exactly where you got the doubts?
I don't understand, sir, this question.
See, you have to find the greatest number that will divide 37, 56, 93, leaving remainders 1 to 3 respectively. If you
Yes.
take any number x, with x you divide 37. X we don't know what is that. With one number, if you divide 37, we should get the remainder 1. Okay.
1.
With the same number, you divide 56, we should get the remainder 2. Okay.
Okay.
And with the same number, you divide 93, we should get the remainder 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Satisfying these conditions, what is the greatest possible number we have? That is a question. Okay.
Mm.
Whenever remainder is 1, if you subtract that 1 from the dividend, always it is divisible by that number. So 37
Yes,
minus 1, it is 36. 36
sir.
divisible by x. Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, 56 minus 2 is 54. That is also divisible by x.
Okay, sir.
93 minus 3, 90. That is also divisible by x. Now,
Eh,
36, 54, 90. All of them are divisible by x. That means that is their common factor.
Sir,
Divisible means factor, and all of them are
factor.
divisible. So it is a common factor.
Yes, sir.
And in the common factors, they want the greatest number. Look at the question. Find the greatest number. That means in the common factors, the highest one. What do you call highest common factor only?
18.
So
XX.
simply you find the HCF of 36, 54, 90. You'll get the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditi, you can mute yourself. We are going to the next question. The answer for the previous one is B. Next question is this. Shanai, you have any doubts left? Shanai?
Sir, you will tell which subject today?
English.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you try this question. A milkman has 2 cans of milk containing 75 liters and 45 liters of milk respectively. What will be the measure of the largest vessel that can measure the milk of the 2 cans exactly? Very simple question. If you want to give the answer, can raise a hand now. Only few people are involving in discussions and other students are not at all raising hand and not involving in the discussions, not asking doubts. I'll say their names. Kamal, not active in class. Sharath, not active. Srivalli, not at all active. Litiksha, not active. Akshitram, not active. Srivatsav, not active. Jashvi, not active today. Dinesh, not at all active. Surya, you are giving some answers and ask. Okay, no problem. Sudeshna is not active. Daksh, not active. Shiradya, not active. Himateja is asking doubts at least. Shivatmika, not active. Vishwajit, not active. Snehal asking doubts at least. Rishikesh, active, is giving answers also. Harshit, I think one question he asked today. Lakshita, okay. Active. Aditi, okay. Chennai, okay. Abhiday, okay. Manaswini, okay. But few people are just sitting in class quiet and they're just listening to the class like watching like a movie, not asking doubts, not participating in the discussions. Okay, let us see. Ritvik, can you answer this? Ritvik, Ritvik, can you read the question loudly?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can't see question.
Why are you not able to see question? The left side part you are not able to see.
Yes, sir.
I think you are able to see the question now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the question loudly.
A milkman has two cans of milk containing 75 liters and 45 liters of milk respectively. What will be the measure of the largest vessel that can measure the milk of the two cans exactly?
So what we have to do?
So, HCF.
Why we should find HCF?
Huh?
Why we should find HCF? Why not LCM?
In the third, in the question, we will have the
Speak
HCF.
loudly, speak loudly.
Here in the question, the creating factor
Yeah, they're creating factor. Very good. Because
says,
the largest vessel that they're taking must measure all the 75 liters. That means it should be a factor of 75 and it should be a factor of 45. Because this question is creating factors, we have to find HCF of 75, 45. Very good, Ritvik. With which method you are going to find HCF?
so continue division method.
Okay, so with 45, you can do division 75. What is the quotient?
Here,
Quotient
answer.
45 ones or 45. Remainder
So 30,
30. With 30, you can divide 45. What is the quotient again?
so 1,
1. What is the remainder? 15. With 15, we can
so
divide
2,
again 30.
2,
What is the
30,
quotient?
2,
2. 15 to the 30, remainder is 0. So what is the HCF? 0?
and also 15.
Yeah, HCF is 15. That means the largest vessel that can measure the milk of these two cans have the capacity. How much? It is 15 liters. 15 liters. So option C. Very good, Ritvik. You can mute yourself now.
Okay, sir.
Students who wanted to give the answer can lower your hands. And any doubts left, you can raise a hand. Only doubts, keep your hand raising. Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi had any doubts? Vishwajit? Vishwajit, any doubts?
Again, explain.
See, there is a milkman who is having two different cans, 75 liters capacity, 45 liters capacity. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir.
We want to find the measure of a largest vessel that can measure these two exactly. Suppose we want to measure 75 liters exactly. Can you take a 25 liters vessel?
Yes, sir.
Times you measure 75 will be over.
Yes, sir.
With 25, how many times you can take the milk out so that the milk will be over? In 75, how many 25s are there?
75, how many 25 days?
In 75, 25 25s are there.
Yes, sir.
25 25s are 625. I want 75. In 75, how many 25s are there? That is a question. Suppose your father
25.
gave you, suppose your father gave you 75 rupees purchase anything. Okay. You want to divide it into groups of 25 rupees. So how many groups you are going to get?
25 divided by 75.
75 divided by 25. So what is
75
the
divided
answer?
75 divided by 25.
You can do multiplication, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you getting 3?
Yes.
Now you understood 25 is a factor of 75.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, it should be a factor of 45 also. That
Yes,
means
sir.
you have to search for a number which is a factor
Hmm.
of 75 and also 45. That means it should be common factor.
Yes, sir.
And we want the measure of largest vessel. Largest means it is going to be highest. So we should find highest common factor. And we know this common division method to find HCF.
Yes, sir.
So you do common division method, you get the answer 15. Is it clear, Vishwajit? Okay, you can mute yourself. And Snehal, you had any doubts? Snehal?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why do you use it's here?
Why? Because we want the measure of the vessel, no? That is a factor of 75 and that is a factor of 45. Then only we can measure exactly, right?
Yes, sir.
That is a common factor of 75 and 45. And according to the question, in the common factors, we want to find the highest one. So highest common factor is nothing but HCF only.
Yes, sir.
That's why we should find HCF, okay?
Okay, sir.
Aditi,
Sir,
yes.
sir, how do we get 15 liters?
How do we get 15 liters? So we have to find the HCF of 45 and 75. You understood this method, common division method to find HCF?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many methods for HCF you know?
Sir?
How many methods we discussed for finding HCF?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, not yes sir, answer.
Okay, sir.
How many methods we discussed to find HCF?
10 methods.
10 methods? No, not 10 methods. Only 5 methods. Can
Sir,
you name? Can you
I
name?
don't see you.
Can you name those methods? No,
Sir,
that means you're not revising your notes, only writing and leaving. That's it. That's why you're not remembering. Okay. So I'll ask you today all the questions from the previously written notes. Be ready, okay?
okay, sir.
You're not revising, that's why you're not getting idea. Okay. So let us stop maths and start English. But before that, some doubts. Jashvi,
Sir, can I say that method's name?
yeah, you can say.
Method 1 definition method, method 2 common division method, method 3 continue division method, method 4 prime factorization without exponents, method 5 prime factorization with exponents.
Very good, Jashvi. And you understood all the methods?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this method called? This solution we didn't know. What is this method called?
Sir, this method called common division, not sir, continue division method.
Okay, so you have to practice and
Okay.
revise also. Okay, Jashvi. So no doubts left, and we are going to start English now. So this answer is C. So English, we already discussed noun and some topics in noun also we have completed. In English, we are going to start with noun different types. Okay. So all of you try this question. Laughter is the best medicine. Identify the count of noun for laughter. So who is going to answer can raise a hand now. Laughter is the best medicine. Identify the kind of noun for laughter. Laughter is which type of noun? Is it proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, or collective noun? Vaishnavi, can you give the answer? Vaishnavi, can you give the answer? Yes, Vaishnavi.
Sir, abstract noun.
Abstract noun. First of all, can you explain each and every option? What is proper noun?
Sir, proper noun is like a particular name.
Yes, particular name of anybody. It's not general, right? Good. And what is
Yes,
common
sir.
noun?
Sir, common noun, like it is a group. It is generally.
Yeah, it is general. In general case, applicable to everyone or everything in the group, it is applicable, right? So clearly, laughter is a proper noun or not a common noun.
Sir,
What is
your
that?
voice.
Vaishnavi, am I audible clearly?
Sir, your voice is glitching.
Maybe because of network connection. But am I okay now, Vaishnavi? Audio?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Vaishnavi, try to once leave the class and join again.
Okay, sir.
Anvita, can you answer this question?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir,
Do
can
you,
you,
do you know what is abstract noun?
sir, feelings were still.
Come again?
Sir, feelings.
Yes, they are feeling like happiness, sadness, or etc. And laughter is also a type of feeling that what do you, first of all, you know what is laughter? Laughter meaning?
Sir, laughing always.
Yeah, the state of being laughing. That is, if anybody tells a joke, we burst out into laughing. That is called laughter. And abstract noun means it is not a physical thing. We cannot touch it, we cannot smell it, we cannot taste it, we cannot feel it. So that is called abstract noun, and laughter is an abstract noun, correct answer. But you know what is collective noun, Anvita?
Sir, groups.
Yeah, it is a name of the group. Like a group of birds is called
Flock.
flock. A group of lions is called
Pride.
like that. Yes, very good. So what is the correct answer for this question, Anvita?
Sir, abstract noun.
Abstract noun, that is option C. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. So option C is correct. So all of you, those who wanted to give answer can lower the hands. And next question. From the following, select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. A dash of ships. It is a collective noun. They're asking a collective noun. Bundle, a bundle of ships, a brood of ships, a fleet of ships, and a pack of ships. Who will give the answer? Lakshita, can you give the answer?
Sir, we should copy that what you're showing in the screen.
You have to copy no question and this options, and you have to tick the correct option, everything.
Okay, sir.
Can you answer the next question, Lakshita?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I can't see the question.
You cannot see the question. Can you see now?
Sir, some more.
Can you see now?
Sir, no, sir.
What about now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read the question?
From the following, select the most up. Sir, wait, sir. I can't see some more.
Can you see now?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, Lakshita, you just try to leave the class and join again. Jashvi, let me ask Jashvi. Jashvi, can you answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A group of ships, what do you call?
Fleet.
Yes, fleet is correct answer. Fleet is correct. All of you copy this question along with the option. Jashvi, okay, good. And we go to the next question. Fleet is correct answer. Copy this, all of you. Yeah, I hope this is copied and we go to the next question. Yeah, any doubts in these two? Harshavardhan, if you wanted to give answer, can lower your hand.
Yes, I wanted to give answer.
Yeah, then lower your hand. Already over no. Aditi, any doubts?
Sir, can you show me the first question?
Okay, still copying the first question. Copy quickly. Both the questions are there on the screen. I'm waiting 2 minutes on the screen. For
Sir, I don't see the question.
which question? First one.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Both the questions are there on the screen. You can copy. Tomorrow onwards, all the questions I'll move a little bit forward. I don't know why you are not able to see the left parts, but I'll move a little bit right side. Yeah, copying is done. Can I go to the next question?
No, sir.
Aditi writing slowly.
Sir.
Copy quickly. Nishika, you have any doubts? Nishika,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you tell me your doubt?
Sir, yesterday I didn't write the exam, sir, because I wrote, but it stuck in middle of the exam, sir.
See, some care you should take while writing the exam. First, check your internet connection is good or not, and then don't open other apps while writing the exam. And while writing the exam, there may be some notifications coming at the top. If you click that, automatically you'll be going to the next tab, and this exam will be submitted. And don't click the back button also. Going back also you should not do. So once you start the exam, until you finish the exam, don't go for any deviations. Okay? I'll make you write the exam in the institute today now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
I-
Litiksha, have any doubts?
Sir.
Yes, Litiksha.
Sir, what is the meaning of brood?
Brood,
And where?
it is also a collective noun. Can you say what is that? Can you say one by one? Bundle we use for what?
Bundle we use for
Pack of things.
a
Bundle of
pack of
what? Bundle of what?
bundle of like
Bundle of sticks.
Bundle of sticks we can use, no sticks.
yes, sir.
And fleet, as you know, they are vehicles like ships, cars, etc. Pack
Yes.
is used for,
Pack of
Food
cigarettes. Cigarettes.
pack of foods, sir.
that is packets. You can say
Packets.
pack of
Pack of cigarettes.
dogs, pack of wolves.
Oh.
Brood is actually a deep feeling about making one worried about something. Okay, it's a deep feeling. Brood means what? Suppose suppose there was an exam and you prepared very well, but you have not performed up to the mark that you expected. How do you feel? We feel sad, right?
Yes, sir.
It's deeply where we lost the marks. That is called brooding. So it is a verb. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and
Thank you. Thank you. Kunyan. Thank you.
Shivatmika, Shivatmika, have any doubts? Shivatmika, you raised your hand.
Sir,
Yes.
when you will conduct the exam?
Shivatmika, yesterday it was over, no? You didn't write the test.
Yes, sir.
Now the test is still available on the app only. You can go and write if you have time. Okay.
Okay.
It's there in the crash course. There is a content button and weekly test will folder will be there.
Okay.
Anvita, doubts? Make it fast. We have to discuss more questions.
Sir,
Yes.
when we use brood,
Brood is a very deep feeling about sadness. Somebody is becoming angry. It is a negative feeling. When a person is undergoing a negative feeling of uh, going under sorrow, when they're feeling very bad, that is called brooding. I told one example for Litiksha. Did you listen?
sir,
When you expect something and it is not happening, we feel very sad. Then we brood. We think deeply about that. That is brooding.
sir, which one we have to use?
I didn't get you. That's the meaning of brood I told you. But here in this, it is not the appropriate word. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sahana, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, where we have to copy these questions?
Copy while I'm explaining only, you have to copy quickly. Other
Sir, where?
don't do two times like while you're listening to the class, then only you have to copy in your English notebook question and answer. Okay.
Sir, a new book.
I think you have a separate notebook for English, no? Sainik syllabus. Then only you can continue.
Okay, sir.
And Lakshita, have any doubts? Lakshita,
Sir,
yes, ma.
sir, can you move to next question?
Yeah, we'll move, ma. There are some students waiting with doubts. Let's clear in 1 minute and we'll go. Jayavant had any doubts? Jayavant? Jayavant, Jayavant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me why are you raising hand?
Sir, can you move to the next question?
Yeah, we'll move. Just wait a second. Vaishnavi, any doubts? Vaishnavi?
Sir, like you told for negative feeling, broad you told, but what about for positive feeling?
Come again? Brood
Sir,
is
like when we feel
brooding
sad,
is the feeling of negative ability that when we are sad, we are undergoing sorrow, or we are deeply saddened by something. Then there
yeah,
is,
when it comes to positive,
when it comes to positive, they're thinking positively. There is a word.
so what is that word?
Uh, there are more number of synonyms will be there, right? For example, we say pleasure. Pleasure is
Yes,
also
sir.
a positive feeling, undergoing positive feeling, right?
Okay.
More number of synonyms will be there, but
Okay.
according to the statement, we can choose. Yes, Vaishnavi?
Okay, sir.
Okay, we are going to the next question.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Vaishnavi. Um, so here, under the types of noun we have completed. Now let us discuss some antonyms. So I think you can see the answer already, but no problem. So the option that is opposite of brave. I want the answer of each and every word. Be ready. So who's ready to give answer? Not only the question, I am going to ask all the others also. Himateja, can you answer this?
Sir, answer clever. Option B.
Clever. They're
Yes.
asking opposite word. First of all, what do you mean by brave?
Intelligence.
Brave means intelligent.
Yes, sir.
Brave does not mean intelligent. Brave means, suppose somebody is drowning in the river, okay, and you know swimming. So you are jumping into the river and saving them. That means they will call you brave boy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is the opposite of brave? Brave means not intelligence.
Sir, clever.
No, brave opposite is not clever. Next, let us ask Harshavardhan. Please say
Sir,
the answer.
sir, cover. Option
Yes,
A.
coward is the correct answer. Brave opposite word is coward. Coward means not
Uh,
having the enough ability to go into the action. Okay, that is called coward.
okay.
And can you say the other words meaning also courageous and shameful?
Sir, clever means intelligence.
Yeah,
Courageous means what's are brave
yeah.
like that one.
That means courageous and brave are synonyms or antonyms?
Synonyms.
Synonyms. And what is shameful?
Sir, suppose any shameful means we did any mistake,
Yes, we
and
did any mistake and we are feeling about it, right? We are
yes, sir,
feeling.
that is called shameful.
Okay, good. You can mute yourself. And next question. All of you can copy this. If you wanted to give answer, you can lower your hand now because solution is over. I may give you chance next question. You can lower your hand. Only doubts are there, can raise a hand now. I hope everybody copied this and we are going to the next question. Those who have not purchased yet, I am going to write the name of the dictionary, Oxford Mini Dictionary. Oxford Mini Dictionary, you have to purchase. I think it is available around 200 rupees in the market. So this dictionary should be there with everyone. And whenever you are solving any questions in English, okay, doing any questions in English, and you don't know any word, most of the words you can find in this dictionary to know the meaning. Knowing the meanings of new words can increase your vocabulary and get your marks improved. Okay, so those who did not purchase this book till now, you can go and purchase now Oxford Mini Dictionary. It's available in most of the bookstores. You can make a note of this book name, those who did not have. And it is very easy to carry, very small size. Shana, any doubts left?
Sir,
Shana? Yes.
sir, I will sir, you will keep in poll.
Poll is not, it's taking a lot of time. When general knowledge is there, I'm conducting poll. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Manaswini, doubts? Manaswini? Okay, we're going to the next question. Okay, all of you look at this question. Choose a word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Nearest in meaning means synonym or antonym. It is synonym. She requested him to drop her home. What is the nearest in meaning word? The synonym to the underlined word requested. Ordered, asked politely, instructed, forced. Those who want to give the answer can raise your hand. Yes, Aditi, can you give the answer for this? Aditi,
Sir,
can you give the answer?
yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Ask politely.
Requested means what? Ask politely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. She requested him to drop her home. So we have to request somebody to help us. We should not order. Is ordered correct?
No, sir.
Order somebody to help us? No. We have to ask very politely. Can you please, suppose we want a pen from somebody else. What is the statement you will use?
Please, can you give me pen?
Can you use a word lend, L-E-N-D, lend, and frame the statement? You can ask like, could you should use you should use the word could. Could you
Could,
please lend me a pen? What do you will say? Could you
could you
could you please lend me a pen?
could you please lend me a pen?
Yes, that is asking politely or ordering.
Ask politely.
Okay, we won't say like will you give or not. Like that we won't say no. Okay, what is instructed? What is instructed? Aditi,
Sir,
what is instructed?
if the
Instructed means what?
police instructed you like that, sir.
Yes, that means whenever teacher gives any instruction to write exam or what are the things to follow, then
Yes,
the
sir.
elders or teachers will give instructions to follow. So he is not giving any instruction. She is not giving any instruction to ask for help. And what is the word forced?
Sir, forcing to take her home.
Yes, that means suppose you are not giving pen, you are forcibly dragging pen from them, right? That is not
Yes,
the good habit. So you have to ask politely. Very good, Aditi. You can mute yourself. So this is about noun questions, and you can copy quickly. I hope this is completed, everyone. About noun, we discuss few types like proper noun, common noun, and in noun we discuss gender also types, masculine, feminine, common gender, neuter gender, and we discuss number also, singular number and plural number, and we discuss collective nouns. Now we are going to start a new topic in English, that is comprehension passage. So this question came in one of the previous exams, Sainik School 2023. I'll mark here. Okay, first I'll ask any student to read the entire paragraph passage. Then one by one question I'll give you choice. Who will read the paragraph without any single mistake? So let me select from Srivali, can you read the paragraph passage? Srivali, can you read the passage?
Yes, sir.
Start reading the passage now.
Sir did not see.
It's visible clearly. I moved it for you.
Sir, no, sir.
If you want to send a letter by post today, can you read that? Can you read it now?
If you want to send a letter by post today, you have passed a
Paste,
stamp
paste, P-A-S-T, paste.
on the invite
Envelope.
envelope, but long again there were stamps. People who want to send a letter
Want or wanted? See the spelling properly.
wanted
Come
to
again.
send
Start from again, people.
people who wanted to send a letter would fall in and sticks. It was box.
Wax. Continue.
Then the post office would send the letter, and the person who got it would have to pay for revising,
Receiving.
receiving the letter. The first stamp was printed in inland. It was black and had a picture of Queen Viceroy.
Victoria. Queen Victoria.
Queen Victoria on it. It cost 1 penny. The
Penny,
British
penny.
penny. The British pace.
Spice.
That is
Spice. Okay,
why
continue.
it was called the penny black. The Homby,
The hobby.
the Homby of
Hobby. Where is yum? Yum is not there, no? The hobby.
Homby,
Why are you
the
saying hobby? There is no H-O-M. The hobby.
the hobby of collecting
Collecting.
stamps.
Collecting.
So collecting stamps is known as pi- philately
Philately.
philately stamps. Have we
After philately, there is a full stop. Philately is in the separate statement and stamps is in the next sentence. Why are you clubbing them and calling philately stamps? You have to give a pause after full stop. Say start again from the hobby.
Stamp.
Start from hobby again. The hobby.
Stamps.
Start from the hobby. The hobby of collecting stamps. From there you stop. Start doing.
Hobby of collecting stamps is known as politely. Stamps have been brought out in many shapes and sizes. Some stamps are very valuable,
Valuable.
valuable and can sell for a lot of money.
Okay, very good, Srivalli. You are doing few mistakes, but you can improve your reading. I'll make you read some paragraphs in the class also. You have to improve your reading. Few words you are not reading properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Srivalli, you can read this passage again and try to understand because I am going to ask meaning also now one by one. Who can explain the meaning of this passage one by one sentence? Can raise a hand now. Vaishnavi, can you explain this passage one by one sentence?
So from the starting,
Yeah, from the beginning, if you want to send.
if, if you want to send a letter by the post today, you have to paste a stamp on the envelope.
Okay, stop there.
But long
Stop.
ago, there were
Stop.
no stamps.
Wait a minute, Vaishnavi. Stop at the full stop and explain about it what you understood.
So, like in the present, today, if we want to send a letter by the post, compulsory we have to paste the stamp on
Yeah,
it.
very good. You can see a picture of stamp also on the
But
right side, right? Yes. Okay, continue.
yes, sir.
Continue.
But long ago, there were no stamps. Sir, but in the ancient times, there were no stamps.
Okay, continue.
Pe- People who wanted to send a letter would fold it and stick it with wax. Like in the ancient times, who want to send a letter, they use it to fold it and stick
Not
with wax.
ancient times, Vaishnavi. Ancient times means very back. It's not that much back. Before the start of the stamps, people what they would do is they will use
Okay.
wax and stick it, okay, without any stamp. Okay, before the start of stamps, you can see.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Okay. Then the post office would send a letter and the person who got it would have to pay for the receiving the letter.
Yes, continue.
Sir, in the sir they used it to from the post office they used it to send to the person.
Yes.
The person who received the letter used it to pay for it.
Okay, okay.
The first stamp was printed in
Now,
England.
Vaishnavi,
So
wait
the
a minute.
first stamp was printed in
Before
England.
stamps are started, the person who are receiving are paying for the receiving the and for the service of postman, etc. But now, after the stamps are invented, the person who is writing the letter have to pay for the stamp, right? You understood the difference?
Sir, no, your voice is glitching.
Vaishnavi, what I am
I
saying is,
can't hear.
Vaishnavi, are you able to listen? Vaishnavi,
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Vaishnavi, is it clear? No audio.
Okay, sir. Now,
Okay,
sir,
Vaishnavi,
I
what
can
I'm
hear,
asking
but it
is,
is not clear.
okay, no problem. What I'm asking is, before we started the usage of stamps, okay, the person who is receiving the letter has to pay for the money. But now, after the stamps are started, then the person who writes the letter have to pay the money for purchasing the stamp. You understood the difference? Yes, Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The sender you
Yes,
sir, now the sender will pay the money.
yes, very good, very good. Continue. Continue.
It was black and had a picture of Queen Victoria on it. So the stamps which are printed in England, they were black and had a picture of Queen Victoria on it.
Okay, okay, continue.
The cost of 1 penny, the British price. That is why it was called the black penny. Penny black. The hobby of collecting stamps is known as philately. Like the hobby of collecting stamp is known as in many shapes and sizes. Some stamps are very valuable and can sell for a lot of money.
Okay, if they are very old enough,
So,
then yeah, Vaishnavi.
like so they were printed in many shapes and sizes. Some stamp, some old stamps were very valuable, which cost a lot of money.
Okay, very good, Vaishnavi. Nice explanation. Now, based on this explanation, the students will try to answer the questions now. All of you, those who are trying to answer the questions, can raise a hand now. I'm going to show the question one by one. So I hope everybody can see this first question. The first question is, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. The first stamp was printed in India, England, America, Australia. So let us see. Kamal, can you give the answer?
Sir,
Kamal, can you give the answer?
yes, sir.
Which option?
Sir, England.
England. Yes. As Vaishnavi explained from the passage, it is clearly mentioned that the first stamp was printed in England.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And Kamal, you can mute yourself. And the next question. Yes, all of you, the next question is, choose the correct statement. The first stamp had a picture of a lion. The first stamp had a picture of Queen Victoria. The first stamp had a picture of Queen Elizabeth. The first stamp had a picture of a goat. Who's trying to give the answer can raise a hand now. I'll select one student. Daksh, can you give the answer? Daksh,
Sir,
yes, answer.
option B.
Option B. Is it clearly mentioned in the paragraph?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the statement, option B?
Sir, the first stamp has been a picture of Queen Victoria.
Okay, you can mute yourself, Daksh, now. Now we'll go
Okay,
to the
sir.
next question. Choose the correct option. The hobby of collecting stamps is called gardening, fashion designing, cooking, philately. Vishwajit, can you answer?
Sir,
Yes, Vishwajit.
option D.
Option D, what is that?
Philip lately.
Philately. Can you explain about other options? Option A, what is that?
Gardening.
What is gardening?
Uh,
What is gardening?
like park.
Yeah, maintaining the park, maintaining the grass, etc. Right? What is
Sir,
fashion designing?
dress.
Yes, designing new dresses to wear. What is cooking?
Cook, cooking. It's
Preparing
like,
food items, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, you can mute yourself, Vishwajit. Next question. They're asking, it was black and had a picture of Queen Victoria. Identify the part of speech for black from the given sentence. So, what is that word black you have to identify? Is it a noun? Is it a pronoun? Is it an adjective? Or is it a verb? So, all of you, those who want to give answer, can raise a hand now. Shivatmika, can you give answer for this? Shivatmika? Shivatmika, you're not audible. Shanai, can you give the answer? Ritvik, why are you not raising hand? Shanai, can you give the answer?
Sir,
Yes, Shanai.
sir, I think pronoun. Sir,
So,
I think the adjective.
you think pronoun or you think adjective?
Then noun.
Now you are going to noun.
Yes, sir.
Say one final answer.
Sir, noun.
Noun is wrong answer. What is noun? It is a naming word, name of any object or anything. But black is name of all the colors are classified as separate part of speech. Okay, let us see the other answers. Abhyuday, can you give the answer for this? Abhyuday,
Sir,
Abhyuday, can you give the answer?
sir, noun.
Black is noun. Black is a color, right?
Yes,
All the
sir.
colors are classified as separate part of speech. Actually, what noun says it is a naming word, and what is pronoun?
Sir, sir, particular name.
That is proper noun. I'm asking pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of other nouns, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, Geeta is singing, and the next statement I don't want to use Geeta. Then I would use she is singing melodiously. Can I add like that? She.
Yes, sir.
So what is black? Okay, I'll go to another student for explanation. Anvita, you know what is this black? Which part of speech?
Sir, adjective.
What is adjective actually?
Sir, adjectives are shapes, colors, and etc. Sir.
Yes. What are adjective? Adjective means they are defining words, describing words, describing how the objects are. They are in which color, which shape, which size, etc. So they are called describing words. In this sentence, the word black is used for describing something. That's why it is an adjective. Okay, very good, Anvita. It's an adjective. Can you say a little thing about verb? What do you know about verb?
Sir, verbs it actioning words, sir, like walking, drinking.
Yes, yes. But here there is no action related to black, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question, all of you. Anvita, you can mute yourself. The opposite of send. Very, very simple question. The opposite of send. The opposite of send. Nishika, can you answer this? Nishika, can you answer this?
Sir, your voice is trucking.
Nishika, answer this question now. Choose the opposite of send.
Sir, your voice is trucking, sir.
Nishika, try to leave the class and join again. Let us ask. Ritvik. Ritvik, I have to call your name, then only you'll raise a hand. You need to improve your English, you remember. Ritvik, can you answer this question? Ritvik, you're not audible. Ritvik, can you say the answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Maths will be very active and English will be very passive. Involve in English discussions also. Whenever I'm asking question, you have to raise hand and involve in the discussion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you say the opposite of send?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, receive.
Yeah, receive is correct answer. But you know the meaning of other words also. Cost, brought, sell. What is cost?
Uh,
What is cost?
sir,
What is cost?
sir, speaking in Telugu.
You can try, no problem. Even if there are mistakes, no problem.
Sir,
Suppose we
please.
go to shop and purchase something, we'll ask for what is the price of the cost. Cost price we will ask, right?
Yes, sir.
You can say like this few words, even there are mistakes, no problem. Okay, what is brought?
Sir, take.
Brought means what? Suppose
Sir,
now snacks break. Okay, you're
okay.
asking your friend. Okay, what snacks you got? So you can use the word brought. You can ask the question now. Which type of
Yes, sir.
snacks you brought today? Can you ask?
Yes, sir.
That means what do you mean by brought? Brought means
Sir.
taking and coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to speak English, otherwise, you cannot improve. Even if there are mistakes, no problem. I'm here to correct your mistakes. Sell,
Okay,
what do you
sir.
mean by sell? What do you mean by sell?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, I went to a shop.
Yes, suppose you are a shop owner and you are doing some business. You purchase some article and you have to what you have to do to the customers? You have to
Sell.
You have to sell to the customers in order to get profit. Okay. Okay, Ritvik, you can mute yourself. And now that's it from today's class, all of you. So everybody participated actively today, and you can give today's class feedback and you may leave the class now, all of you. It's already 8 o'clock. You can leave the class now.